Hey everyone, it's Friday and we're heading out of Paris today. I'm sitting here having my croissant and my café. Let me tell you though, I had a big hassle yesterday. The first one that I've had since we've been on this trip. I had booked my train ticket out of here when we were in England and I thought everything was fine. And then yesterday I noticed that I'd gotten an email that said they were unable to process the ticket, or it was like refunded. They canceled my train. So I thought, okay, well, I'll just try to rebook it. Long story short, I tried to rebook it several times on 2 different sites on my cell phone with the apps, 2 different sites, 3 different cards, and every time the payment wouldn't go through. First I was like, wait, my credit card, something wrong with this credit card? And then I tried the other credit card and the bank card, and it's like, what? These cards too? Like nothing works? So I call a credit card company and they tell me there's nothing wrong with my card and they had actually approved the payment. Long story short, it turns out what it was that you have to receive this verification code, and it doesn't do that. It doesn't send you the code when you buy on the app. Well, what's the point of having the app if you can't buy the train ticket? But anyway, so I did it with the laptop. I got the code and I finally actually got the ticket. I mean, I could have gone at the train station, but I didn't want to wing it, you know? So I got the ticket. The only thing is these new tickets that I got leave about an hour and a half later than the originals, which is okay because it gives us a bit more time, which we kind of need. However, this new train is an 8-hour journey as opposed to the 4 hours of the original train. So it's going to be a long ride, and we're going to do a detour through Switzerland. And we're going to get there kind of late, but you know, that's okay, and we're going to see lots of scenery and I get to share it with you. This metro, it's literally right at the top of the street of our hotel. I mean, just feet away. Goodbye, Hotel Vavin. Okay, we're here at Gare de Lyon. So this is where we're supposed to catch our train, like get out of France. I just want to show you, it's like a giant, huge place. We have no idea what we're doing. I am moving. Holy crap, oh my gosh, you guys, is this ever crowded? Look at it. So crowded. Oh my god, so many people here. Like, wow, like the chaos, oh my god. This is where we're supposed to figure out like where our train is. You're supposed to figure out from this board where to go. See where it says Zurich? That's us. Except, yeah, no, we don't know where to line up. Here is Gare de Lyon, in case you're curious what it looks like. It's really nice, other than the fact that it's like super crowded and confusing. People bring their dogs in the metro and the train station in Paris. They're allowed. And they do actually crap on the floor sometimes. And that's the one to Basel and...
Yeah, and Zurich,
oh,
yeah.
Thank God. Gosh. Oh, we found our car. Oops. Oh, it's squishing me. Oh my God, I get stuck in the door. Little stupid tourist. And we gotta find 58. Here's our seat on the train to Switzerland. We did it. They literally don't even check your ID and passports when you go through the gate. You just go right through, get on the train. Oh, last glimpse of bye! Bye, Paris!
Good morning. On behalf of TGV Lyria, the French and Swiss onboard team would like to welcome you on board this high-speed train to Zurich. For your security, we inform you that this TGV is equipped with a defibrillator in the bar coach. The device can be used by anyone in case of emergency, without waiting for the train manager. The bar buffet in the middle of our train is now open. To avoid disturbing other passengers, please use your mobile phones in vibration mode, and only on the platforms located in the coach vestibules.
I find that's a bit weird. The first thing they announced said there's a defibrillator on board, and you can go ahead and use it. Just like if you need to help yourself. It's a self-serve defibrillator. I don't remember ever hearing that on a train before, or anywhere else for that matter in my life. For some water. Hey, don't get me wrong. I think it's great that they have a defibrillator on board, but why not also, an oxygen machine or an EpiPen? I didn't hear any announcements about that. What if somebody goes into anaphylactic shock? What about like a little surgery kit if you need to give yourself some stitches? Supposed to be there's some place to buy food and water and stuff up here. Look how fancy this is. Look at this. See, I'm up here, and see, it's got 2 stories. Can you believe this is a train? Double-decker train. Well, what is this? Looks like I found the first-class carriage, if you know what I mean. Comfortable. You guys want to see the bathroom? It's just like an airplane bathroom. It's pretty spacious, actually. It's like bigger than the elevator in that hotel we just stayed in. I'm still roaming around the train looking for the canteen. Oops. Oh. Oh, look at this thing! I mean, it's like a house on a track. It's so big. Here it is. Oh, what's this now? Oh, cool. Oh, check it out. Like, it's fully like a little snack bar here with tables. Oh, is that ever neat? That is so cool. Isn't that cool? Little snack bar. I love it. I want to have coffee here. Look out the window.
Mesdames et messieurs, je vous rappelle que la correspondance Besançon-Viotte, même quai, voie en face.
I like mustard. I like Dijon mustard particularly.
Alright, that's mustard factory right there, probably making that mustard.
Factory?
Yeah, they're making that mustard all day. That's Dijon right there. When you get your chicken strips and you get the honey Dijon.
I like that.
That's the one,
That's the one.
Meine Damen und Herren, Taschendiebe sind immer am Werk und könnten dies auch vor der Abfahrt des Zuges sein. Daher bitten wir Sie, Ihr Gepäck nicht unbeaufsichtigt zu lassen. Wir bedanken uns für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. In wenigen Minuten erreicht unser TGV Lyria Basel. Bitte vergessen Sie nichts im Zug, bevor Sie uns verlassen.
Guys, we just arrived here in Basel, Switzerland. Raucherbereich. They give us a little spot here. Super noisy. Okay, here we are in the Basel, Switzerland train station. We have about an hour layover. What we want to do is get ourselves some chargers, or adapters, because we can't charge our phones. Got down the stairs and I'm like, why does it smell like a pool? Look at this. It's the bathroom and showers. They have showers down here. And like you have to pay to use the bathroom and stuff. $2 to use the bathroom. Oh look, they have your bathroom, toiletten, and they have a pissoir. Si tu veux pisser. The French term is like a little less polite than what we say in Quebec, you know? Just for that. Oh my god, look at it. Look, it literally says pissoir. It's cultural. No, that's just for men. pissoir. Look, there's like an automated system with a machine. Like there's even a bathroom attendant lady working here, like when you're in Mexico. Like there's your Swiss bathroom. It's like they take it to a whole other level. Oh, look, they even have lockers here. That's interesting. Oh my God, look at this place. It's huge and you can tell it's old. Look at these giant arches here. Oh, the Gesundheitszentrum is like a health center. I'm not sure what that would be. Maybe I'll just poke out and have a vape, you know? So I can get myself a t-shirt that says I vaped in Basel. Oh, we'll just have a little quick look here. We got a few minutes. Here you go, guys. Switzerland. Yeah, not bad. Interesting. I have a friend who lives here, but I didn't know I was coming through this town until last night. Or I would have said, hey, let's hook up, you know, let's connect a bit. There's an old train station here. That was funny. I just went to the store to buy some water and maybe a charger, and I went up to the guy and I addressed him in French, like parlez-vous français, and he's like, and I'm like, English? Deutsch? And he's like, yeah, and he laughed like, oh, what else have you got, you know? And I just did my first transaction in German. That was cool. I think Gunnar was impressed. Yeah, it's Swiss German, but I can still understand it. Oh, look, check it out. There's tons of people with dogs in the train stations here. Like you can literally just take your pup on the train or in the metro. Oh, look, here's another one. There's the puppy. Here he is. So many dogs. That's kind of cool. You don't have to put it in a cage or anything. Basel zu Baselbad, Gleis 2. Okay, we have to go down here. We got the train for Baselbad. So somehow we did it. Oh my God. And not a moment too soon, guys. We just got our train.
Riehen-Niederholz, Riehen-Zell in Wiesenthal.
Bye-bye, Basel. We caught our connecting train to Villingen already. That was like literally a 6-minute train ride. And so here we're in another train now. This is the German trains now. I mean, look at that. This like tiny little thing and you just go from one side to the other. There you are. It smells like cows on this train. Maybe the farmer takes the train. I don't know why it smells like that. When I was in I keep feeling like saying the airport. When I was in the train station there in Basel, I spoke German to a couple people who speak Swiss German, and it was fine. And now I'm in the German train, and there's somebody who is speaking Swabian, I think, which is the language that my grandmother spoke, and my mother too. It's like, I can't understand. I mean, I can tell it's Swabian, Schwäbisch, but wow, like I can really understand the Swiss German a lot better than the Swabian. It's like thick accent. Interesting. You know, I was looking around and I was like wondering, like, how come everyone's wearing a mask? And then I found a sign and it said Maskenpflicht. I have to wear a mask. So I got this going on. I mean, really. Whatever. Maskenpflicht. Maskenpflicht. Ja. There's that mysterious black forest. That's what my mother grew up around. Land of the barbarians. Ooh, look at the mist over the forest. My mother would say, die Hasen kochen. Rabbits are cooking. Oder vielleicht die Hexen kochen.
Hohentwiel. Für Ihre nächsten Reisemöglichkeiten achten Sie bitte auf die Ansagen und weitere Informationen am Bahnsteig. Diese Zugfahrt endet dort. Vielen Dank für Ihre Reise mit DB Regio.
So here we are, we're in Villingen, and we found our stop to catch our next train. Actually, hey, check this out. Like, how crazy is that? Like, you take your photos in here. It's for your, like, you know, travel documents, and it shows how it, like, does your biometrics. And, like, that's, oh, how convenient. How convenient. Woo, it's been a long ride, and so now we're going to Rottweil. Yeah, we're getting there. I can see myself in the camera and I look awfully pale. It's like the journey just like sucked all the energy out of me. But I'm so happy to be here. Does it? My lips are pale. Like all the blood has been drained from my face. Oh my god, it looks so tired. Wow, this train is really nice. Like big seats and comfortable. Lots of space. You see how misty and steamy the forests are?
It's a temperate rain. Oh wow.
Oh,
I love you. I love you.
isn't this amazing?
Yeah,
It's
Germany
so like
has-
mysterious and
I
spooky.
think Germany has the best forests. I'm gonna say that. Black Forest looks coolest of all of them.
You can imagine the barbarians here back in the day.
Yeah, but it's so thick and dense. It's like a jungle, you know?
Just about, yeah. It's really dark too. Well, we found out why the train was so good is because we were sitting in first class, and they just came and kicked us out.
This is
Come on, and we have to do the Maskenpflicht. Oh shit, this is where we go with the please. Oh, here we go. Hello. Oh yes, this looks more like regular class. Oh, maybe we can sit in a box like that. How are we supposed to find a place to sit? Ugh. The idiots abroad. Entschuldigung. Okay, let's try this one. What's this? Oh, here. Please don't tell me this is first class too. This old rail station. I'll tell you, after just having been in 3 countries where they don't use this at all and nobody seems to give a crap about COVID anymore, it seems like totally absurd for me to have to put it on when I got on the train. Oh hey, Rottweil, here it is. We're in Rottweil. Das wäre das Rottweil, das gab vom
Rhabarber, Barbara, Biergarten, Barbaren, Bertaba, Bierbeer.
Where's the dog? Oh my god, it's over there, look. But it's looking at me. Oh wait, that's not a Rottweiler.
No, that's not.
That's a pit bull. Or maybe it's got a muzzle. Maybe it's a cross between a pit bull and a Rottweiler. That'd be A Pitweiler or a pit rot? A rot pit.
A rot bowl.
A rot bowl. Oh geez, what is this? I don't know. I feel like it's a mistake to come down here. We might miss our train and get stuck in the Rottweil.
Don't want that to happen.
No. I don't know. I just want something to eat. I'm so hungry.
Barbara, Biergarten, Barbaren, Berthe, Bärbeer.
Biergarten.
Rhabarber, Barbara, Biergarten, Barbaren, Bärbeer.
It says the bathroom is closed due to vandalism.
Really?
Yeah.
Vandalism.
Look, this is what you like. Look, like you can still see the bullet holes in it from the war.
Yeah.
It's all pockmarked.
Maybe. I don't know.
For
They all
sure.
have X's on them.
Yeah, but look. Look, look, look.
Yeah, okay.
It's all like got holes and it's plastered and stuff. We get this old train this time. So we're here. We made it to Villingen, Schwenningen. We got a ride from my cousin, and we're gonna go see my aunt, who I haven't seen in 40 years.